Hey guys, welcome back to the new video of our channel Glitch Matrix. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the tool that is mostly used for Wi-Fi hacking. And we are going to learn about how to crack WPA, WPA2 cracking with this tool named Aircrack-ng. I will teach you all of the commands of this tool in this lecture, so please watch carefully till the end and don't miss any part of the video. So, let's get started. Q1. What is SSID? SSID stands for Service Set Identifier. It is the name of the wireless network that is broadcast by the router or access point. For example, when you scan for Wi-Fi networks on your phone or laptop, the list of network names you see are SSIDs. Q2. What is BSSID? BSSID stands for Basic Service Set Identifier. It is the MAC address of the wireless access point or router. Unlike the SSID, which is the network name, the BSSID is used to uniquely identify the specific device, router AP, broadcasting the network. Q3. What is ESSID? ESSID stands for Extended Service Set Identifier. It is generally the same as the SSID, but refers to larger wireless networks with multiple access points all sharing the same SSID. ESID helps in creating seamless roaming for devices between access points in a campus or office environment. Q4. What is a beacon frame? A beacon frame is a management packet sent by access points at regular intervals to announce the presence of a wireless network. It includes information like SSID, BSSID, channel, encryption type, and other network capabilities. Q5. What is the difference between access point and router? A router connects local devices to the Internet and assigns them IP addresses. An access point, AP, is a device that broadcasts the wireless signal, allowing devices to connect wirelessly. In many home networks, both functions are combined into one device, a wireless router. Q6. What is a client in a Wi-Fi network? A client is any device that connects to a wireless network, such as a phone, laptop, or IoT device. Clients communicate with the access point to access network resources or the Internet. Q7. What is the difference between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands? A 2.4 GHz offers longer range but slower speeds and more interference because of microwaves, Bluetooth, etc. 5 GHz offers faster speeds but shorter range and is less crowded. Q8. What are Wi-Fi channels? A Wi-Fi channels are subdivisions of the frequency band used to transmit data. In the 2.4 GHz band, there are 14 channels, mostly 1 to 11 usable, but they often overlap. Choosing the right channel helps reduce interference and improve performance. Q9. What is a MAC address? A MAC, Media Access Control. Address is a unique identifier assigned to a network interface card, NIC. It is used at the data link layer for communication between devices on a local network. Example, 00:11:22:AA:BB:CCQ10. What is monitor mode? A monitor mode is a mode in which a wireless network adapter can capture all wireless traffic in the air, even if it's not addressed to that device. It is essential for performing packet sniffing, capturing handshakes. Q12. Why is a compatible Wi-Fi adapter important for hacking? A. Not all Wi-Fi adapters support monitor mode and packet injection. For ethical hacking and WPA attacks, you need a chipset that supports both, like the Atheros AR9271 or Raylink RT3070. Q13. What is a word list in Wi-Fi hacking? A word list is a text file containing possible passwords that are tested one by one during dictionary or brute force attacks. Tools like Aircrack-ng and Hashcat Use word lists to crack captured handshakes. Q14. What is WEP encryption? A. WEP, wired equivalent privacy, is an outdated and insecure encryption method that was used to protect Wi-Fi networks. It uses RC4 encryption and a static key, making it vulnerable to statistical attacks and easily crackable using tools like. So here is the practical of everything that we are going to learn in Wi-Fi cracking module, and you can use Aircrack-ng on your terminal to list all of the commands, whether you can also use Aircrack-ng help. And here is another command like arrowdump-ng to list commands related to it. But first of all, we have to put our Wi-Fi adapter from normal, managed mode to monitor mode. And it is important to put the adapter to monitor mode in order to scan Wi-Fi networks around us and crack them. For putting our adapter from managed to monitor mode, we have to use command arrowdump-ng start interface followed by the interface name. In my case, it is WLAN 0, so I am going to use arrowdump-ng start WLAN 0. You can check your interface by using this command ifconfig. Now we have to type iwconfig command to check that which mode our adapter is currently in. So as you can see here, we are in the managed mode, and to put our adapter into monitor mode, as I said before, we will use command arrowdump-ng start and followed by the interface name. Here, in my case, I have WLAN 0, so I will use arrowdump-ng start WLAN 0. After that, we have to use the command sudo system stop network manager to stop network manager service, because if this service runs, it will affect our network scanning. Now, we have to enter arrowdump-ng WLAN 0. You have to use your own interface and hit enter after this command. As you can see, here are all of the networks in my range with their BSID and channel numbers. So the second number, Wi-Fi router, is my router, and I am going to hack this Wi-Fi router and find its password. Now, I will copy my routers. BSID, also known as MAC, address. I will copy it in order to crack its password. Now, I will use the command arrowdump-ng -BSID to specify MAC address of the router, and then --channel to specify channel number. In my case is 6. You can check your router's channel number by seeing details from above, which is shown above by using arrowdump-ng WLAN 0, and then after putting channel number use --right, and put the file name here where you want to capture your handshake file details. You can use any name here, and then put your interface name, and mine is LAN 0, hit enter. After hitting enter, we have to use another command to force any user to disconnect from internet in order to capture handshake. So you can use this command, airplay, --- and then put the number of packets you want to send to disconnect user from the internet. I put 5 to doth the user for capturing handshake, and it's enough. Then put -A to specify BSSID or MAC address of that router you want to hack, and then put the MAC address of the router after -A, then put -C to specify the MAC address of that person who you want to disconnect from the internet. You can get theirs, MAC address, from the above. Then we have to put our interface name, like mine is WLAN 0. Hit As you can see above, we have got a message, WPA handshake captured. Now everything has been done. We have captured handshake file. Now we are ready to crack the password. So now we have to enter the command Aircrack-ng-A2-B to specify to BSID or MAC of the router here, and then -U to specify the path of the word lists. In my case, I'm going to use rocku.txt word lists to crack passkey of the router after that. Put the name of the file where you have captured handshake details. In my case, I used glitch matrix 123, and then put your interface name here, like Vuln 0, hit enter. As you can see, cracking has started, and Aircrack-ng cracked my router passkey fast, because I used very common and normal password to show you about that. So this is for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and bell icon, and also like this video. It motivates me. More like is equal to more videos, fast. If you have any doubt or question about anything shown in the video, you can comment me below. I will reply as soon as possible. We are working hard to bring you a new experience. Stay tuned. So this is for the